Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 10. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create this profile, create a new sketch. Then we select XZ plane, create soft. Oh no, from here. Constraint symmetrical. Make dimension. Here it is from 15 and 115. These 2 points, 115 minus 50. Okay. We need add the whole 14. So create this whole 40. And this model we create the half part. So we only create one circle. Close the sketch and pad command 100 length. And we need to select symmetrical to play. Okay. Next we need to create this 16-degree pocket feature. So create new sketch and select XZ plane. External geometry, select this whole edge and create the sketch. Make dimension 16 degrees and this way. Okay. Leave the sketch. Then pocket command. We need to use 2 dimensions. 15. We see here. From here. 10 millimeter and minus 10 millimeter. Here is 50. Look. You see here is radial 20. So from here. Okay. Next we need to create this pocket. Create new sketch. Then we select XY plane. Then external geometry, select this line, view, sketch, then create a sketch. Add, hold key, Alt M, change the arc, align, then constraint tangent. Make dimension from here is 10 millimeter. The radial 20 millimeter. Okay. $20 millimeter. Oh, come back. Delete this line. And select these 2 endpoints. Constraint coincident tangent. Okay, the sketch is folding constraint. We leave the sketch. Then we select pocket command. Slow all. And the direction reversed. Okay. Next, we need select these two future, pocket future and pocket 001 future. We hold keyboard control, select these two future, and select parallel partner command. We need to select X, here, two colors. Okay, good. Next, we need a fillet. Fillet one edge. Hold keyboard control 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 millimeter. Okay. All these edge 2 millimeter. Good. Next, we need a pocket, the part half, pocket 8. So create new sketch, select XZ plane, then we create a rectangle big enough. Okay, leave the sketch, pocket command, and tab through all. Symmetrical to plane. Okay, good. Next, we need select the model, but select the body, select, and use Milo. Select YZ plane, YZ plane. Okay, good. Next, we need to create the hole. 35. Create new sketch. Select XY plane. Then view sketch. Create a circle. The diameter 35. Close the sketch and pocket through all. Symmetrical to plane. Okay. Next, we need to create the pocket feature from here, 10 millimeter from the edge. So select this plane and create new sketch. With external geometry, select these two edge and this edge. Create new sketch. And add two lines. Next, construct symmetrical. Make dimension is pointed to the circle. 10 millimeter. And this 10 millimeter. And next, select these 2 points. The construct symmetrical. Undo. $10 millimeter. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we pocket. The diameter is 20 millimeter and add a file draft 20 millimeter, and we need add 5 minus 5. Okay. Next, select the pocket. We need add the fillet select fillet 2 mm. 2 mm. Okay, next we'll select the 3 future pocket fillet 1, 2. So hold keyboard Control and mirror. Oh my god. Delete. Why not doesn't work? Pocket, mirror, fillet. Select XZ play. Okay, good. Next fillet. Select select order the edge. Edge is 2 mm. And from here 2 mm. Okay, change it up please. We finished the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.